Kung Hei Fat Choi, today is February 9. It's a day after the Chinese New Year. So I say Happy Chinese New Year to everyone. And having that said, since it's the first day, we had a good 2 days vacation to stay with our family. And we have been refreshed and we have all the energy to work again. And I suggest that be energized today. At it's always important that part of the energy that we have is to translate that down to our customers. We don't build tons of volumes. We try to build happy customers. That's the most important thing. And for us to be able to do that, kinakailangan ay simulan muna natin sa sarili nating bahay, hindi po ba? Kinakailangan ay yung energy na yan, positive energy, ibigay muna natin sa mga kasamahan natin sa opisina. So, we try to have a positive outlook out of, even though we have been faced with challenges, negativity and all that, we can still have a positive energy to affect our co-employees, no? Treat them our clients, not just co-employees. Make them happy customers also, yung mga kasamahan natin sa opisina, para ganon yung trabaho natin na pinaganda natin because we treat them clients. Once they receive that, they will be enjoying the work that we did. And because we treat them as our customers. And that will be extended back down to our customers, yung mga actual clients natin. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo.